Hi all, welcome back to Java 8 Stream API interview coding series. So this is the sixth question of the series and the question is remove empty strings from the list. So here is the expected input: Java, empty string, Spring, empty string, Stream API and boot. And the expected output is Java, Spring, Stream API and boot. So before we move into the coding section of the video, let's first see the thinking approach of the code. So let's get started. So here is the logic before code. We have list of string with the values Java, empty string, Spring, empty string, Stream API, boot. So we are going to read each string. So currently we have Java, right? So this Java, we are going to check whether it is empty or not. So since Java is non-empty, it returns true. Since it isn't true, we are going to add it into list. So inside list, the element will be Java. So the next element is empty. So we are going to keep only non-empty strings, right? So since it is empty string, the condition is false. So we are going to not add it into the list. So this list contains only Java elements till now. So the next element is Spring. So since it is Spring, it is non-empty. So condition is true and the updated list will be now Java and Spring. So this we are going to go through the end of the list and the final results will be Java, Spring, Stream API and boot. So friends, now let's start with practical session of the video. Here I have created a class called remove empty strings which contains main method. Inside this main method, we have list of string values. So we have Java, empty string, then we have Spring, then we have Stream API, and then we have empty string, and then we have boot. So now let's introduce a local variable here and give the name as languages. Now what was our requirement? Our requirement was from this list we are going to remove the empty strings, right? So how to do that using Java Stream API? Let's see. So we have languages. First we need to convert it into Stream API method. Why Stream API? Because it contains ready-made pipeline methods which we can use in our code. So if you put here dot, you can get the ready-made pipeline methods: filter, collect, map, reduce. So according to your requirement, you can use those filter method. So for our requirement, we are going to use filter. So filter accepts predicate and predicate is functional interface. So functional interface contains single abstract method. Since it contains single abstract method, we can use lambda expressions for it. How to write that? Let's see. So we have string. String contains method is empty. But this is empty gives us empty string. But what was our requirement? Our requirement was to remove the empty strings. Since this method does not give us expected result, we are going to write the condition not equal to. So by writing not equal to, this string dot is empty gives us empty string. By writing not equal to, now it gives us non-empty strings. So since we got the non-empty strings, we are going to collect those. So we are going to use the collector method which contains collectors class, and this collectors class contains toList method. What does this give? This gives us the new list. Let me try to introduce local variable here again, and let's just now try to print the value. So let me write sys out. Let's print the value. So when we try to run this application, we are going to get the non-empty string values. So if once the program is run, Java, Spring, Stream API, boot, you can see we have removed the empty strings from the list. So guys, if you really found this video helpful, please like the video, share the video to your friend circles and subscribe to my channel. I have given complete Java playlist in the description box, and if you have any doubts regarding this video, you can put your doubts in the comment section. So whenever I get free times, I can look into it and solve your queries. Happy learning with Java and see you in the next video.